Nestled in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, lies the sacred town of Kartarpur, a place revered by Sikhs worldwide. Kartarpur holds immense significance as the final resting place of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the revered founder of Sikhism. Beyond its religious importance, Kartarpur is a symbol of peace, unity, and spiritual devotion, drawing pilgrims from far and wide to experience its profound tranquility and divine energy. The history of Kartarpur dates back to the 16th century when Guru Nanak Dev Ji settled in the region and established a community centered around spirituality and service. It was here that Guru Nanak Dev Ji spent the last years of his life, spreading his message of love, equality, and compassion. The establishment of Kartarpur as a sacred site marked the beginning of a new chapter in Sikh history, one characterized by devotion, humility, and selfless service. The significance of Kartarpur lies not only in its association with Guru Nanak Dev Ji but also in its role as a beacon of interfaith harmony and understanding. Despite its turbulent past, Kartarpur has remained a symbol of unity, welcoming pilgrims of all faiths and backgrounds with open arms. The town's inclusive ethos reflects the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, who preached the importance of embracing diversity and fostering unity among all humanity. One of the most significant developments in recent years is the inauguration of the Kartarpur Corridor in November 2019. This historic passage connects Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in Kartarpur to the Dera Baba Nanak Shrine in Gurdaspur district, India, allowing Sikh pilgrims from India to visit Kartarpur without the need for a visa. The opening of the corridor has been hailed as a momentous occasion, symbolizing the spirit of peace, cooperation, and goodwill between India and Pakistan. Gurdwara Darbar Sahib. At the heart of Kartarpur lies Gurdwara Darbar Sahib, the holiest shrine for Sikhs worldwide. This magnificent Gurdwara, also known as Kartarpur Sahib, stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and the rich heritage of Sikhism. Pilgrims visiting the Gurdwara are greeted by its awe-inspiring architecture, serene surroundings, and profound sense of spirituality. For Sikhs, a pilgrimage to Kartarpur is a deeply spiritual experience, offering an opportunity to connect with the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and seek blessings for oneself and loved ones. The journey to Kartarpur is not just a physical one but also a journey of the soul, filled with moments of reflection, devotion, and inner transformation. Beyond its religious significance, Kartarpur holds a special place in the hearts of all who visit, regardless of their faith. Its serene landscapes, tranquil atmosphere, and inclusive spirit create an environment of peace and harmony, where people from diverse backgrounds come together in a spirit of brotherhood and unity. In conclusion, Kartarpur is much more than a town. It is a sacred pilgrimage site that embodies the timeless teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and serves as a beacon of peace, unity, and spiritual devotion. As pilgrims flock to Kartarpur to pay homage to Guru Nanak Dev Ji and seek solace in its hallowed grounds, they are reminded of the universal values of love, compassion, and humility that lie at the heart of Sikhism. May Kartarpur continue to inspire all who visit and serve as a reminder of the power